Do you have any hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? In this video, we're going to talk about how to turn those hobbies into profit. So if you have any hobbies that you really love doing, or you have some free time and you're really looking to make some money, then keep watching because I think this video is going to be perfect for you. I'm here to help you become a financially successful and free person through entrepreneurship. And I think turning your hobby into profit is one of the best ways to do that. So let me ask you a couple of questions. Do you remember the last time you had fun? When was it? Was it this weekend, this month, this year? How often do you make time for having fun? Do you feel guilty when you do something just for fun? And what do you think is stopping you from doing that more often? Now, I know we're all busy and we don't always have a lot of free time, but I really want you to think about this question. What would happen if you could find a way to make money while having fun? Wouldn't that be amazing? You could make money and have fun at the same time. One of the most common pieces of advice out there for making money is to do something you love and you're really good at. But not a lot of people take this advice because they do really know how to do that. They do know how to make money and they do know what to do with their lives. If you're someone who loves playing video games, there are so many different ways to make money from that. You can start a channel, you can do live streams, you can make videos, you can write reviews, you can do esports. The opportunities are endless. If you love video games, there is a way to make money from it. The same goes for everything else. If you love movies, you can become a film critic. If you love fashion, you can become a personal stylist or a fashion consultant. If you love music, you can become a DJ or a music producer. If you love art, you can sell your art or become a graphic designer. The possibilities are endless. You don't have to quit your job and you don't have to go to school. You can learn most of these things by simply doing them. And once you've learned it, you can start making money. And the best part is you can do it at your own pace. If you love what you're doing, it doesn't feel like work and you won't feel the need to quit. So I want you to think about the things you love doing and see if there is a way to turn that into a profit. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day.